How to remove a message from bookmark on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove a message from bookmark on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and then just click here on your profile and then go down, not down, you will find this one here, bookmarks. Click on it and let's try to delete this message. Just hold on it and then click remove bookmark, and as you see bookmark has been removed. And that's how to remove a message from bookmark on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.